Out looking for some glass. Found a piece of a 42 and I don't know, maybe another 42 here. We'll keep looking. Good time of year to look. It's an old rail trail here. Looks a little sloppy down there and kind of in the open. I don't see anything from up here. Not really seeing any color down there. We'll keep looking. You never know. Might even find an old bottle in one of these old spillways. Might as well check it out. Got nothing going on today. It's supposed to be a rain day. Had the day off. It almost looks like somebody was put in all these timber spikes. And a couple railroad spikes stuck in there. I don't know if that's old from the workers who put this line up, but it's from somebody coming down here and taking all of them. Because I don't see any evidence on the ground of any insulators. I mean, some could have rolled down into the creek. There's a rubber one. Not interested. Another old pole. I see something here. What the heck? This thing's plastic. HK Porter. The heck, a plastic one. I don't think I want that. I'll leave that for somebody in the future. Not interested. There's no glass. Well, keep looking. Keep on looking. Interesting. Maybe we'll try just across the highway here and see what those ones are like. They're doing construction down there, so I already had a sign saying that the path is closed, no trespassing, but it's not going to stop me. Well, let's see what this line is like. Pretty spaced apart. I don't see another pole. Oh, okay. It goes pretty deep down there. Okay. Oh, did they switch over to? Nope. No, that's a tree. Strange. Maybe the poles didn't come down this side of the... Is that a pole there? Or a tree? It's hard to tell. It's almost impossible to get down there. You're gonna have to see what it's like further down this trail. Got a pole right here. Right here. Bunch of styrofoam. Doesn't look like I can get down there too easy. They're probably mostly all 42s off these lines anyway. I'll keep going. Check it out, see what it's like. That's an old tree here. Huh. Alright, where's the next pole? Alright, I won't go past those orange. Looks like a property there, yeah. Not somebody's. Jesus. These poles are kind of spaced apart, unless a lot of them are rotted over. We just got a bunch of rain the last couple days and a bunch of snow last week, so it's all melted now. Oh, lost them. You can see down there, it's all covered in moss. That pole's been down a while, but I'm not seeing anything on their pegs. I might go down and check it out. Maybe on the way back. Yeah, it does not look like there's anything on them. Looks like there's two arms. It's not looking like a very good line. I don't know if that's a tree that fell over on that or somebody was using it to get the whatever good glass was on it. Not seeing any signs down there. Just trash. There's another pole. This one looks a little bit easier to get down. I'll check it out. So much water right now. The water's so high. A little bit of glass. Another piece of a 42 there. Not really seeing anything else. It's unfortunate, really. The next pole looking pretty bare too. I don't know if I can get down there. I can't read. It's not looking promising. Nothing down there really. Something. Something was just crawling right there. I lost it. Never been down this trail before. Look at that. There's a pole there. Don't feel like going down. Oh, I guess I got stairs. This is kind of cool. Oh, cool. Oh, wow, the water level is real high. Oh, that's fucking slippery. Oh, it's really high here. That's just cool. I'm gonna take some photos. The water's so high, it's all in the field. This is a newly built bridge. Very cool. Well, I mean, the wood bridge itself is new, but the stonework has been here forever. Very cool to see what the old train bridge kind of looked like. Trash can, steel drum. Ugh. Very cool. Yeah, the water's quite high here.